In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create content calendar, Asana, LinkedIn, 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable system in Asana to plan, produce, and publish LinkedIn content with confidence. First, let's get your workspace ready. Open Asana and create a new project, then name it something like LinkedIn Content Calendar so it's easy to find. Choose the calendar view as your default so you can see your posting schedule at a glance. If you prefer visual stages like idea, in progress, and ready, you can also use the board view and switch between the two anytime. Make sure you place the project inside the right team or workspace, such as marketing or content, so the right people have access and everything lives in one place. Next, standardize your tasks with templates. Instead of rebuilding the same to-do list every time, create a reusable task template for each content type you publish, like blog post, video, or LinkedIn post. Inside each template, include placeholders for the copy, a creative brief, and any relevant links you'd typically reference. Then add subtasks that mirror your process, such as research, write draft, get approval, and schedule. This keeps your workflow consistent from idea to publish and makes onboarding collaborators much smoother. Now make your progress trackable with custom fields. Add a status field with options like idea, in progress, ready to publish, and published. This gives everyone a quick visual snapshot of where each piece stands. Create another field for channel and set it to LinkedIn, which helps if you manage multiple calendars across platforms. These fields also let you filter and sort tasks so you can focus on exactly what matters each week. To reduce manual work, set up a simple automation rule. For example, when the status changes to ready to publish, automatically move the task to your ready section. Little rules like this keep your board tidy and ensure handoffs happen at the right moment without extra clicks. Finally, plan and publish with intention. Add key dates to your calendar, including product launches, industry events, and relevant holidays, so you can build timely themed posts. Assign an owner to each task to make responsibility clear and prevent bottlenecks. Then use the calendar view regularly to check what's coming up, confirm deadlines, and make quick adjustments if priorities shift. That's your streamlined LinkedIn content calendar in Asana. A clear project, solid templates, meaningful fields, helpful automation, and a plan that keeps you on track. Save your project, start populating it with ideas, and watch your content pipeline run smoother than ever.